time na movie no ejine ma na egu say
senior man oh enguyo
ba se konkon
kakra o se bia se ese wo ho na onyama hwegu a o se wo hihya na hihya yie ba o yeah so me ba se hwegu yie nti e hihya kakra wa
mu go so hihya ba na se na ya before si he ti se de ahochira tom so we na na before wa don TV or say die ahochira tom so movie stars amen ne mu man kabia kwese mu nko na de bia no enkrofo twa ticket mo ko London na mu sile wo Instagram na mu yesi na mu mema no so ene ke se de adwuma na yesi poto mo ntebrofo enti che wa kra no se wadane se ye fe ne se
not really say che wa kuku wa buchi nse amen kra de we sometimes no ya na nyama bebrebe koso a ya ye omo outside adwuma no omo ntiase
okay
so
show you
same pose chewa na wo kasa okuku mu ni ate no so ye sampo a eno no ye de hwe abusua wo wale ase e na obi ti baabi e ya adwuma bi bate ni adwuma a wo ye so da odidi obia ndi nyakopo bo be wi aso ye o me life no wo hwe obi dia obi mistake
yeah
go en satia we ni na ye be
absolutely
what I say etine no de na na ya kasa e bia na o de ka asem but omini said ye be amount focus omini
that's what meaning to know na so be apologize
good omini that's all the kind
okay
tell me about that
who ni sa
me no na tell say what can say it is na so omini o so one only
sure
maybe I'm a fan say you were just playing but maybe we did you know you meant it
okay
every so now you were just saying it for saying sake
yeah I know
into no the on the can as
you don't have any problem about it
oh now why would that have to be a problem but your name be I'm make clear there I'm say Facebook and then Instagram and YouTube near there so many people so many messages are I'm for sending me near there and we are John and all time or kasa or shut out or so we say kasa or sorry or kasa we say no but hey and yes sir entertainment world is never like that
sure
what I see the juma we are here time be a person in your photo when you fan cancel
okay
but at the end of the day you know me call show no so say en kodi nkomo
na eba say na show no so no say na enkomo a o ma questions o ma you know particular specific questions are like
na and I was a show no the nature of the show is to push nipa na out one like you pushing me
yeah
some can you some can then what I say and I was not the first person I will interview
sure
I'm say I think KK Fusu me na me hwe that what I say na me hwe na mate intimation dem ko to
okay
so I say
and when you offended
no you never baby why you only sit on TV you never baby boy believe you me you can't throw the baby so and then you bia na say be song why ya dey man ma me na papa o pese wi ase hu
sure
ye obi dey o sa na dey tie and you obi o on so on pesa so I say it me maybe me getting an award or me not having an award it doesn't necessarily mean something yes actor and I mean I'm not doing well let's come to Ghana
okay
Ghana how it is say music awards or when they
oh say you be okay award not me say this person doesn't really qualify to get
what I say so why do I have to go and chase an award why some means I have to work and I mean my papa and my fans
so you don't care about an award
what is award
when your movie you more award pay
for what
you don't need it
for what
you more be on
aba Obama me kasa me
you say that man will be
on we deserve no so one san kaya you dey deserve for what kasa point na make count say award a sabi ebu sabi song the three friend be say be dress kan yam from is that an award so where is this award stuff coming from
but sometimes it's we adwumaden yam award na dey
say adwumaden yam award but say adwumaden yam award so we dey pam yes na ko pre say no why adwumaden say be am yes na ko pre na say the maba akona that means say wo wan adwuma papa
sure not say
go there ba ku bi di echi ntina say e bi asomasi ana obenten say na say kwabena safo me say ya that me no interview no ulu say me fan say dem no tell you are my soul sister and you do come my fan say normal thing so question that we say no dey me pen make if whether it's true or not
yeah
e bi papa yes wa worry me permit am say ah pass me dey be It's my own
I said,
choice.
it's all right, I'll push you to speak the truth.
But only man. That's our rest at the fancy. I said, listen, it's a casa.
But then, Mammy say, a Juma may say, a concomment said, okay, earlier on, and no, I said, that's a movie. I must say, the women are more than TV host and all that. And what's happening?
We have done TV host, but things say every actor and an actress.
Yeah.
And couple body baby, and so to me, you never be great.
Okay.
Means I make what I say.
Fantastic.
Sign man boy, because I was okay. Oh, acting kwa. Why something so representing my baby? Why the 8 7 more now? So what sees you from doing it? So I don't get people when they start saying, say, and I'm wearing actors, so they say, TV, so I'm presenters. There were so many musicians that are more acting, you know.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't they stay in that some music, music?
But I say, you guys have you're trying to take over. That's what people are talking about. They say, hey, it looks like you're not getting job to do. The industry is collapsed. So that's why
the industry is collapsed. You are not getting jobs to do.
And you not see another job.
At the end of the day, yeah. Another job. Do your presentation on TV.
But yeah, you are taking people's job. I'm a man for no money.
Oh, so we are from command. Diane, we'll show you how to do it. Open my all the actresses in Ghana. Yeah. Running us on way. So one on one thing, it's still yours.
Sure, absolutely.
It's me. See, I can say, actor, Opia or the field, then woman, you want it. Opia or the fans will be as it.
Sure.
I wouldn't compare myself to anybody. Sure. So what I say. Yeah, and sometimes I'm kind of Kumasi for those, or Kumasi, or Brofuna.
But you're speaking good English.
What I say, at the end of the day, you say, you know, everybody school and that's what if you know what.
Well, I don't cry me about question ways. Nothing will collaboration of premiere. Chobos to Chobos, Yan and I'm out with school at the how's the movie like? So, I can't bro.
Yeah. And that's happened that to the room. Oh, yes.
So, tell me about the movie.
Oh, Chobos, you see, and sandwich. When said those days, not secondary school there. But you know, life can be a framework, those days need which is the smoking, the codeine, the tramadol, the D10, ISM param. It's an other Nayania, your wolf face, and then yet additional daily found to TV no more. Okay, so because we not far down food. Now the new rat the other one, this is what I have to do. No my children. So by I want to make fears and because secondary school. And I'm from the Christian school. Now one say me.
Okay.
So what I say? One say me, I met me in school. But I go there and phone it. Now come on trauma do one no mess say what my so. It means in school. Until I hear trouble to trouble secondary school. Star
as a life.
What I say as a life. Man for any job what I say. Soon no me I don't see. But the premiere or making hotel. They say yes stage drama. Okay. First time I hear premiere stage drama.
Wow, beautiful.
Stars in the school uniform. Now we are backstage.
Said there was a speed for
yes, that's why I'm wearing this one.
Wow.
Until I'm back shooting for my backstage. I will perform drama concerning drug abuse and these social vices. Trauma don't near your stage. Not audience, many action. Then we are inside a series. Yeah, you can create. I'm for a show. Then from there we are. Then they not because I'm on for stars not church. So from there we walk straight to Vienna City. Yeah, if you are the next day, which is 30th on Sunday, then you have call every special Christian service.
Oh, what is say action or
yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's Sunday, yes, Sunday. Omuna, but wow, back making a went to ministers in Capuchin. Over back with special, no now or the opium. Let's come and play 10 cities and enter.
Oh, just 10 cities.
10 cities.
What is that?
So yeah, so be a TV band we have fun with the stars.
Okay.
You got that movie there, Comfort Colleague, Hotel. So many people are coming. My boss will be coming. Darling K, he's organizing everything.
Whoa.
Yeah. He's in charge of the
now, staff don't move the beat in the mind.
Brother Sammy will be. Brother Sammy will be.
Your twin. Now the only day
I say, yeah,
you need a new face or what?
No. You must have told him your uncle follow.
Okay.
So we follow no person at Sammy go school.
Okay.
Or yeah, they may be heard Sammy life, no, they told you no jai, some person gets Sammy. It's Korean and name to him jai. It's a fa all
Sammy and who.
Brother Samuel Matsuda Sari, Apostle John Brass, Western Japan, Me Tracy watching the got too much of Tankata, Batman the Virus,
Wow.
Chiga, Double,
Wow.
It's
a squad that can also
squad.
It's almost say,
yeah.
And now we do a movie now come together, and they are coming for the premiere movies as well after party so or movie. Chobos to Chobos, who premiere no, but you can't be out with.
Countries in the Holland, Germany. Yeah,
that's the thing. Germany didn't we are now flexible streets and I'm so.
It's an enjoying pressure sport.
I was up when I work with my section for me and Yanni. But then my mentor will say, which you subscribe to the show YouTube. Now I feel interesting videos to be uploading now. With our account checker, Samsung, and I'll be some following Instagram. Diane and doing a gym fit party. Let me come back here. CJ Fashion is now on my because I think I love my outfit into go now on Pemby now, not on your face. Making sure say, or be clothing stars, Nina, 29th. Be a watch a screen from there, but after party, no. What I know, uploading more. I come back. Let me come back to you. Fine. Who was good?
School there, me life in international schools.
It doesn't matter. If you are
because school baby, open me starting free one. Oh, okay.
You know, a lot of fans.
I went to True Light of Christ. Oh, Kumasi and highways. Few one I call Carrington.
Okay.
Or Atafua.
Okay.
You feel what I call twice a secondary school.
Hey, you can't got us.
Who got us? So I'm the cat go school and Sunday.
Yeah, you also the cat go school. I said that.
You
cat go school.
Nana Mantina. You hear no na. Yeah, 1 or 2. Yeah, listen.
I can't stop for them.
Movie industry. Who said me na me wofi na me job ya kaka. Enti me kase bi o se kam na. And who advert bi na reveal forms for na say if you want to be an actor na. They became number I'm sure. Now call audition. Nipa over 100 and something. Many first guy choose to Kumasi.
Wow.
So from there I'm call your home sweet home. Now be Hotel St.
Oh,
James.
see.
Yeah. Go your home sweet home. Now me taxi driver. Yeah, now me taxi driver. I check and a Hotel St. James. You be Hotel St. James can grant the more. You be Kumasi, you know, and everything.
And so we're in industry, we move to same. Is it nice?
A Juman is nice, so send you nice and can you come and tell? Your radio presented will be anymore. So, but then any better is the way because of the midnight better is so hey, nice one. Why we be and one brand some tell you
I know you're going to say that, but we're in industry anymore. Challenges will be woman.
The baby,
the saying
challenges baby. We go out in my rope, run and area. I can't remember my concept so. And your mom, seem be an all of a sudden, you can't action meeting and you man of Brancas. Hey, why? Action, Namidron. And tonight, now we will feed. I don't want to no, me too. I'm feed you know some can. And I'm Jesus, animal who can is there. But the direct under Kaya possible. It's we catch us a paracho. Oh, ma'am, just 2 minutes and go rap and go by. I came back and did it.
Wow. Good. So you believe it was spiritual?
Yeah. I wouldn't say no be there, but it's there.
It happened.
Yeah, it happens.
Do you believe in superstition?
I do. Yeah. If we are snapping or no, but we bear we are saying any empire would do. We shouldn't joke with anything and any word. Says our word any one can do.
Okay.
And this our best our word night, man, for Ben, I'll be answering. And I said this word there is by ye way some but also here over here. We go on this idea now about betting they are pushing away. Don't that's why over here. Yeah.
As compared to Nigerian movie or movie industry, not to Ghanaian movie industry, what are some of the changes you see? Because like I said, when you look at them, or more editor, that's how I see from far. Because to me say, especially we all on Instagram, when we say, oh, the way more unite or be birthday crowd, be such and can your premiere now colleagues now crown a promote.
They are doing it.
But Ghanaians, yes, sir, I didn't see.
Ghanaians, a bimun yes, sir, yet. Looking at maybe program never so looking at it now. Stars are on my cabia, on my endorsement. Wow. It's unbelievable.
Are they not learning to do that? because it wasn't like that. So you know, they have realized that Nigeria for so they also have to do it.
It's never like Nigeria for any Kumasi
Part of you, some of you.
Kumasi for no. Yeah. We are like one family.
Nice one.
So we say we ban about a yes for party program or be able to support it. Maybe program me all the stars will be endorsement, trust me. And everybody is going to be there. And the Abu is going to be there, Bishop Nyako, also Day, Rastanene, Omo Chabi Gloria, I will check for them. Yeah, but in your mom, Accra, and sometimes, Mama Sani man is because you is all act to Accra, we different from you act to Kumasi. But young cat and some women, we are seeing you say, so act to Accra, now act to Kumasi. When you're foreign actor, Munya actors and actresses, good. Or act to Kumasi, you act to Accra. Change is very the fact that they use English doesn't mean someone different from here. So what I say, you chew Paul. But only my uncle. Why you have a script? Yeah, what's your script? You learn the script. Because let's say you use the script. No, you just say action and you are on. The script. The script. Don't read it. Don't see me and I will be able to translate, not show. No. Because I want to read the script until now because I was on the script. Wow. By your before I'm gifted. Yeah, more said I will also acting. Okay. It with English or without English, and I will script or without script, they will do it. Especially somebody like my mom, okay. She's wonderful. She's talented. Just tell mommy, this and this is what you're going to do. But therefore will be a different place. You not be careful. So, but you catch it, you know, you say why? That word it so we can. But some of English movies, no, but they started from Kumasi, and I'm like, so how come since say no more? It's still the show. Yeah, and same is it bossy? It's never like bossy. Yeah, and same say you wouldn't know the outcome. Who's a movie and say who say as soon as you now bent, I can say. Yeah. But you know what? Can't say be a man, me no. Na me ni Ghana but me tia me buy no na e me ya say e ko blanksen e be ka say ye na ye sinu e o twi ye nkwase for na say cantata nkwase for the show movie but he started good so only a course interessante ni o ko blanksen I know ko blanksen was not possible at the end of the day no so ka say ya said you say mo wo e chiri e kuro kitu ni no mo hwe no o mo na odi no matter but don't forget that those are the people who are best star. So should you sit there and say, so we all crooked to away crossing me now? I will take crooked say we Kumasi and Ukrainian fat. What since we say that the person involved, what's me friendly besides why did you say? Why do I even have to come and call you? Waste credit and waste time. Because you hurts and over but made a man your shit. By you before from a reply. Okay. We're going to have a big gas will be or tell cross actually moving to you cross for the movie. It's more mean a Kumasi for the movie, right? And they accommodate them pen of crack. Accommodate I wouldn't say, Ebia, make Kasama, Menguayana. Ebia, me okay, but with Fufro, meeting okay. It make Kasama general accommodate. Why? The Jumano, I did jack. But the name on kind of create on time social media. I want to go big. Or make up cassette top up 1 year, 1 year. Una nasa there. What do you want to show? No, too pressure. But our colonize be a one block where I will try. I don't just say what to answer why be. I come and show you on TV. No. Individual characters count in this industry. Because when I wouldn't love Diana doing Diana Coca. It's really messy. That doesn't mean so being a baby. The problem now I am in crime for no one to say. It's cool, we are cool. For example, if you are one van, if you are hey, Papa. That answer is not there. And see why? I remember soon so Koshia will be many panel ignore or something. As she boy, no, because no one is a woman colleague. The colleague or a senior man, an actor or papa child, who was sleeping in it's after you doing this one. What person don't feel listen? Come on. And then the day, they shouldn't forget that you all die one day.
Have you experienced that?
Say,
Maybe what shall will be. Now,
yes, how? Me who ban me who na mama black because woman black.
That means already no because now you are like me cry me who me share me share.
Come on, me share back me and Sabako. I met him at the airport. He pretend as if he don't know me.
So what did you do?
I just passed by.
Wow.
Oh yes, because I met him at this embassy. I said, "Oh, you me." But I'm sure you but at your core, you run by me a peer. I mean, you'll be doing community macro or buy watch a day. Kumasi, and I'm saying, "I say, you me."
It's life.
And
what did he or she say?
What will he say? He ain't got nothing to say because what the guy and also a bigger job.
Okay.
Aquaba, mobile, then the do yes, Diane. Oh, come for yes, you catch yes, we are one.
You are all actors.
But you shouldn't say condemn or be the old young coso. Say the young crossing for sin, crossing for the shade. It's a shame crossing for the shade, and to crossing for my only part.
Let me ask you, sir, with this attitude of ours or of our industry, you know, do you think, say, and maybe to me, I must say, I buy the crab and up, so what? Every time I put down
Sir, unity now started 50 years, buying about forget it. I'm telling you, it's about time. These Accra people, these Kumasi people, they have to forget about men and the aspects and your maintain, come back as one, build a good relationship with each other, then this industry will just raise again. Opa, trust me. Let's do a series, a combination of Kumo and then Accra will be for oh, the English speaking for only chief for let's blend them. Imagine Jackie appear with this your sister Emilia what is Yvonne catchy you know catchy imagine them you know section of them blended yeah correct series
TV for. Let me just say about this telenovelas that they has also had an impact.
It has.
I don't know kill him in that.
I know I can't be. I wouldn't say something now, but I know so can't be said. Because I did be a full be everybody papa's own shit. So as a Brunia or catchy, but then call a butcher Brunia or can't chew water. But because of say from my from 1 point in the but some from one engine, the idea you said, one more money at general. There's also on my air sound. You want to feel, or my mayor, where Kumasi was about to suffer in the field. Someone to suffer on the TV station, he is telling of some more machine, I'm on so which is which? The bus I bread.
Makasafa.
Yeah, I quite remember some time ago. Young class of Munjayo.
I didn't say so. No, I just want to know, say, but what can one say?
Yeah, I can't want some. I said, yeah, I think say the control minister, you may need to for Gura. He said, emotion will become an anchor. Time, you know, if you are 8, 9, 10, 9, between the local staffs, I'm going to push it time in my Ghana for Nanka from 10 there, forest soaps because Unqua Butcher goes to Ghana and maybe time. So, it's young one, young kind of and rap out and then I say, can't go in my shell.
What troubles to troubles when we say, what's me actions are afraid? This so-called English actors and artists when it's all maybe they should come with their presence or something. Or you don't
I was
you
surprised.
Need them.
Oh, I need them. I was surprised when I saw Majid Michel's video. When he had his Papa Kumasi's troubles, he was like, all right, let me do this for him. Endorsement. So I think where are they? That means they are ready to come. So I say, you know, then the enemy know, then you know, you know,
one to the
one and I teachers, in outside gentility cry. Let him go. You have one life for Instagram, one life for Facebook.
Make up.
And I was like, could you send me like 500 Ghana?
Really?
You know.
You don't mean it. Oh my God.
Yeah,
look into my cameras, for example. Now, my cameras are for you because this troubles to troubles, no, I am representing. Na, me per se, me ma 2 minutes. Kapwasen, beam, asana me jam.
All right, lovely people. Troubles to troubles. Hey, senior, ya could check you out, which a check Ghana, ya kamu. I they break Ghana for. on being Adult TV every Monday. Be 6 no see pepe. Near Pulu see and fan 6 to 6:30. Monday be by Russia say 1st October. Oh, Adult TV. Now drama any stage. Oh, making hotel. Yameboa 29th September. Musumi stars in there baby. Shatta in the 20 Ghana cedis pay. But that's a teacher could ever perform it. You give us a good drama and then comedy. We are then yet stage drama and a man for concerning drama donne, sa Kudinia, then we are then Yamma ship, Troubles Kakra. It's 3 in 1. And Sunday the next day, as I 2 parts with the stars.
2 parts of Becca's way.
Christmas Hotel, Santa's Christian Service University inside. Wow. The one I Christmas Hotel. 10 cities. Order for 4
Stars, I'm not talking about the stars of the movie stars. I'm talking about artists.
Artists, so many artists. You know who the Vivian? I have these guys. We are best of to me, but I have the pressure.
That's what you.
Because I'm the pressure.
I like doing everything. People are cool for movie actor, radio presenter, musician,
artist manager,
event organizer. I think I just saw you about this Vodafone. No, quickly, how did you get a deal of Vodafone? And they were coming for you guys.
Something.
I don't put volume. But when I would have from home. So how did you get a deal? I mean,
Vodafone. I'm going to do through my friend.
Okay.
He directed it.
Okay.
It's a good friend of mine.
And I'll say, hey,
so he,
Kumasi.
Yeah. And so I call Blance in the cosmic from the Kumasi.
God will never.
And so I Vodafone for every home by Kumasi. You nice honey man, a killing and Yankasa. And my answer will be a demand Cassia and Poso. We got 10 canals, Sinam to Kumasi, in a co market.
Absolutely.
And I had a Biamican. Your 10 regions all Ghana. But what? 10 regions all Ghana. It's a then there is 8 away from 2 who quality the Ayakun. So what about the Western, Eastern?
Why?
Because of say,
enviness.
Maybe they mean I wouldn't say enviness, but more perception is so much in the young person for the wouldn't make you know. Oh, that's my problem. Because as I didn't want, can I have before we say it? Someone must be impressive. Do you understand? And to the Sanya man Jai. I see Nigeria as my brother. I see John Dumelo as my brother. You do have a 2 Dumelo. So I see you. But that doesn't change anything. And since this Kumasi Dumelo won't jump. Because Dumelo, Accra actor. Dumelo Kumasi.
I don't get it when you people say Accra actor, Kumasi actor. Are you guys all not actors and actresses?
They don't see.
And you what's in crying? Just say Accra actor, when you're Ghanaian actor.
Almost from
because Gollywood, and I'm
Gollywood or Gollywood. I don't know, but I'm here to find out the difference.
Because I'm getting, a little about this whole thing. Say, hey, you're in a movie, and someone think crime. This will be sometimes I didn't have problem with musicians. Almost so, Kumasi musicians. No, what are you trying to say? And your music based only in Kumasi, that means your music doesn't travel outside.
Good.
That means you too. Based on say be a Accra actor or actress, no. That means we're acting career no based on Accra and Kwana. That's what I don't understand about.
And only problem now, one also motion on so what I see. And only problem also motion on Jai say and a way grassing, a way Kumasi, a way and Kenya easy. It doesn't help.
Okay.
Because there's a priority we back way who come together and we can build this industry. I'm telling you, when we come together. You just a simple thing. The Accra people should see Kumasi for Umunia. The Kumasi people should see Accra for Umunia. They should come back, sit down, plan, go to the president. Let the president know that this and this is what we want to do.
Okay.
The minister should come in, sit the minister down, put structures, measures down. But Kwame can go to Kumasi. And I really like Kumasi, and I really can, I really trust, and I really
okay, and she be a not recorded, but then so far tickets are
tickets are out.
Oh really? So far is a bit number out.
Yeah, I want to because if I'm full
okay.
And per rush, young said, Premier go up, but will be after ticket or bow do an old
and to be ticket way.
Ticket to be able Metlin Hotel. When you saw ABC matter or Patasi. That's not being able to Kumasi FM. Or Tena Junction. 20 Ghana cedis per for and I always first will tell them 10 Ghana cedis. And you're about FFF. Oba Christian Service University or the Uchiya no
Papa Kumasi. Social media handles.
Social media handles IG Papa Kumasi and Facebook is Papa Kumasi. Amadi go Siblia or Kulu, that bro, Amaroya VT, Amadi go Siblia, Tassi, Amadi go Siblia. Be our show so be Amadi go Siblia, and Masiku Dabro and sitting out between.
I know, but let me ask you this funny question. What's the relationship with you and Vivian Joe? Are you guys dating? Are you dating? Oh, are you dating her?
We are dating. She's my lovely sister.
But who dating?
I am dating.
Where she? But she is me I'm from my wife. It's my phone.
Alright,
that's why. And I'm from Mokaini. I'm also dating Vivian Joe. It's when you feel then people so dating can have family. Yeah, home. Yeah, the cop. Yeah, they see the place here. Every my time have our Mister Unumbia, malaria fever. Baby, to say their mom. You better give a scientific assay. Now, if you